Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you, miss?
I'm doing well too, thank you. My name is Maria. What's your name?
Maria, nice name. I'm Ujjwal.
Vigil?
Ujjwal.
Oh,
UJJ.
Arjun.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet
And
you
you
too.
have a beautiful collage of pictures behind you.
Yeah, I gifted this picture to my mom, dad. Yeah.
Wow. You made it for them?
I made this like 40%, but this picture made by the shopkeeper. Rest of the picture made by the shopkeeper.
Wow. It's a collage of
Yeah,
pictures.
yeah. It's a collage basically. So I forgot the name, but you got the right name, collage.
Well, that's how you expand your English vocabulary.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'm calling from Florida. What about you?
Florida, yeah, I heard the name. Yeah. So I'm calling from India, and my state name is Uttar Pradesh.
Ooh. So what part of India is that? North, south?
This is the northern part, no, north part of India.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
You haven't heard about Uttar Pradesh?
I think I have. I think I'm trying to think, but it's not the same. I know I have a student who lives in the south, and she told me, and she named three other popular places in India, and I think that was one of them that she told me.
Yeah, maybe.
Is it a tourist place or no?
Yeah, Uttar Pradesh is a tourist place,
Yeah.
but yeah, yeah. But I don't like much as Uttar Pradesh, but I like the neighbor states of my state.
Oh,
So,
okay.
but Uttar Pradesh is also a tourist place. So if you
Yeah.
like to visit, you can.
Yes, I would love to. I need to go one day
Yeah.
and visit
Oh,
my students. So, what do you do?
actually, I have passed my intermediate exam and my graduation is about to start from August. Yeah.
Wow. Well, congratulations. That's a big,
Thank
big
you.
accomplishment.
Yeah, yeah, thank you, Eric.
And
So
do you
what
have
about,
any siblings?
yeah, I have two siblings and I have a younger brother and I have an elder sister. My
Oh,
sister, yeah, my sister has almost done her master degree. He's doing
wow.
master of arts. Yeah.
Mhm.
And my younger brother is doing his 10th grade. Actually, he has done his exam, so he's waiting for results now.
So he's going into university? The
No,
younger?
like 10th, he's gonna to be admitted in 11th grade.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah,
All right. That's interesting. So you come from a family of educated people, you could say,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, obviously, no, you can see.
That's wonderful. What about your parents? What did they do?
Yeah, actually, my father is a merchandiser, basically. So
Nice.
yeah, he helps the businessman to sell their products in global market.
Ah, so
Like
he
in
he has good
your,
communication skills.
yeah, obviously. Even in your country, mostly.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, and my mom is housewife, so he cooks very well food,
Oh,
and
she has the most jobs out of the whole family because she's the mom.
yeah,
So she has a that she does. The most important.
and I love those dishes.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah.
And so what are your plans or what would be like your dream job after you graduate?
Like as I told you, my father is a merchandiser, so my dream job is like in short term goal. Like my short term goal is to be get a very means MNC company job in easily
Okay.
way. But my high term goal is to be open my own business. Is
Oh,
it?
okay.
Yeah. So yeah,
So what about who would take over your dad?
actually, where I live, it's called Muradabad. It's my city name, and
Okay.
it's also known as Brass City. All the stuffs, brass, aluminium, and a lot of type of stuffs are exports in all over the world, mostly in
Oh,
Europe country, Germany. So these type of countries. So that is
wow.
why I wanted to open my own business
Yeah.
and increase to business. Yeah, and I want to put up my leg in this business.
Wow, that's big. You want to have your own legacy,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, my own legacy.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. Um, and what about during your, what do you like to do?
Actually, in my free time, I do a lot of things. Sometimes, as I do hungry, so I open my YouTube and start to searching new dishes. What can I make today?
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe
Um,
maybe you can integrate like a little cafeteria with your business to do your
yeah, yeah,
dishes.
yeah. Obviously, obviously.
You know, people, like you said, people always get hungry, right?
Yeah, yeah. Because me, I don't know about the people, but I am.
You're always hungry.
Yeah.
Interesting. And that's great, because whoever you end up marrying can have some help in the kitchen. She doesn't
Yes.
have to do it all.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll definitely help.
Right? Well, I before I got married, I told my husband that I was not going to cook. So he does all the cooking.
Yeah, yeah. So you are lucky that you got this type of that type of husband.
Yes, or even meal planning, going shopping. I never liked any of that. So, yes, that would be a way that you can, you can stand out from other men because you can
Yeah.
tell, hey, I don't mind helping in the kitchen.
So like where you would like to go apart from your house? There is any cafeteria or champagne shop?
Yes. Well, I live in the US, originally from Colombia, and there
Okay.
is a small, like, store that they sell Colombian food. Um, but it's only in Miami. So I have tried other Colombian places all over the states, and nothing compares to like home meals, and only the
Yeah.
one in Miami.
Mhm. So
Yeah.
like
So
your state name is Florida, am I right?
yeah, the state that I live
So
in.
what is the city name? Colombia is a city.
Oh no, the country is in Colombia in South America.
Okay, so what is the city name?
Bogota. That's where I was born.
Ah,
That's the capital of Colombia.
oh, that's great.
Yes. Usually people know Colombia for all the drug trafficking and all that stuff
Oh,
when I speak to people. So, yeah, it has a bad reputation, but there's more to it than that.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
And go ahead.
yeah, why you post the map besides you? Is there any reason?
Oh, well, right now I'm in like a hotel. So, I just like to have a background so that it doesn't show where I am. Nobody
Yeah,
can know
it
if I'm
seems
traveling
beautiful.
or not.
Yeah, seems beautiful.
I know, and I teach globally, so
Oh,
I love that. Well, that's actually like one of my things. Like I always have that with my business, teach globally. And when I started on Cambly, I really started to get to know more about cultures from people.
yeah.
So I started liking maps, and my keychain is a globe. Like I don't know, I got into the whole map and globe thing.
So, yeah, how long have you been teaching on Cambly application?
Well, Cambly for 2 years.
For
But
2 years.
before, yeah, but before that, I 5 years. So I've been teaching a total of 7 years virtually.
Oh, that's very long period.
Yes, yes, I love it. I couldn't do anything else right now because
Yeah,
it's very flexible. Yeah.
yes, it is good.
Hmm. And what are you would say that you want to improve in English?
Think in English, like, yeah, I wanted to improve my accent basically, and
Yeah.
I wanted to put my leg in the American accents from my
Oh,
Indian.
okay.
Yeah, I know Indian accent. I can speak in Indian accent, but I like to speak in American accent. So I'm practicing a lot to speak in American accent. I'm trying. I'm trying. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. So, maybe I recommend, like, for students to try to pick a favorite actor or actress if they're a female that they want to sound
Actually,
like.
I don't like American movies, so that's why I can't pick my favorite actor because I haven't any favorite actor or actress. in America because I
Oh,
watch American movies. So yeah, but like Donald Trump and a lot of politicians. So I put this type
that's
of
true.
politicians. Yeah, yeah. So I
Yeah, just like listen to them
yeah,
and then
yeah.
enunciate like they do.
Yeah.
That's good. All right. And is it when you are in the university, or is it common for students to try to speak English or practice English amongst each other?
And I can't say yet because I'm not in university. Well, I'll get a like I'll get in admitted in university. So yeah, I'll
Oh,
define it. Yeah, can people speak English in university or not? So
yeah. Well, what about like just friends when you're hanging out? Like, do
like
you ever see anybody try to practice each other?
no. Mostly my friends can't speak English. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, and I was as I was in school. So also my school friends and my teachers couldn't speak English. So
Oh, okay. So who do you practice with?
yeah, yeah. So I did myself a lot, and my father forced me to. Now in this scenario, English is mandatory right now. So you have to speak English anyhow. And
Yeah, because of all the people that come from other places, right?
yeah, yeah. My father told me I have to watch a lot of English movies on YouTube because it helps a lot to be fluent. So I did this. I watched a lot of American movies and
Nice.
yeah, American short stories. So I did a lot. And besides this, there was a free application, domestic application. So I installed from the Play Store, and I got the friend from there, from that application. So yeah,
Oh,
so yeah,
so you found a friend and then you would practice together?
yeah. Right. I gotcha. I gave my like 1 hour, 1.5 hour daily with my friend.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Yeah,
That's a lot of practice, and for free, right? Because it's your friend.
yeah. So now I am trying.
All right, great. Well, let me see if this is working now. I have been trying to show you my slide, but
Yeah.
I don't know, for some reason it was not working. Okay, so let me tips really fast. All right, can you tell me what you see in this picture?
Okay, wait. I think these guys offer some food to someone.
Okay, so yeah, like she has a cake,
Yeah, she
right?
has a cake.
Okay,
So
so you're
birthday girl, I think so. Or she offers a cake to the birthday guy.
okay. So you can say she is offering a cake to the birthday, or to her friend. Let's just say that she is offering a cake to her friend.
Yeah.
All right. So that's great. That's one sentence. Now I wanted you to do a challenge and try to think of two more sentences to say about this picture.
Okay. So like one is
Like, what are they doing? How do they feel?
yeah,
Something.
I think I think I'm understanding a simple answer which I told you. Like they are offering cake to someone, to a birthday guy.
Good.
Yeah.
But okay, so what about this? What about if you say they are celebrating a birthday, right? That can be a
Yeah.
second one. You can also say, I see people hanging out,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Yeah,
So
these are
just simple
animals.
things. So those are what I like to tell my students is to do the challenge. Okay, I want you to look at something.
To be
You
remembered.
think
Yeah.
of one sentence, and
Yeah.
then challenge yourself to think of two more things. Okay, and this will work on your thinking speed in English and to speak more confidently.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a
Okay.
good idea.
Yeah, it is. All right. Well, it was great meeting you today,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I hope we see each other in the future. Okay.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.
You too. Bye.